Hello YouTubers, we're going to do an unboxing video for right now. Let me see going into opens inside. Okay, I open it. Packaging. Here's the front. Here's the front. There's a 20,000 leagues under the sea. Here's the front. Spine. Here's the back. Let's get open the shrink wrap. Yep. Let me go ahead. I'm going to remove these stickers off. Okay, stickers, the security stickers was removed. Here's front, spine, back. Yep. It was removed. Yep. Here's the coupon thing right here. Here's the inserts. Alright. Here's disc 1. The movie. Here's disc 1. And disc 2 special features. Yep. Disc 2. And disc 1. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments below what you see in the video. See you later. Goodbye.